Today we are going back home. It's a bit late from the work, that's why it's already dark outside, and we're taking the famous Hatir Jheel road, I would have to say. Hatir Jheel is the elephant lake in English. So far I know that this used to be a huge lake where elephants used to come here to drink water, and the way they used to come is called the Elephant Road, and they used to come from that direction, and in this lake they used to drink water. So that was it, and the elephants were maybe part of the, the jomidars, the landlords that used to rule this city. So it used to belong to them, and they were in numbers, and they used to come here to drink water. Now they created a roundabout, a loop around the lake, and it helps to actually transfer the traffic from one part of the city to another. Wow, he just ran in the middle of the road, come on. So one part of the city to another very efficiently and very nicely. So yeah, this is the story of Hatir Jheel, and it turned out to be a nice place, and with taxi, the river above the lake has taxi services, water taxi services, which you can take even to go from one place to another. So yeah, Hatir Jheel it is, and it's a nice place for people to hang out these days, because there are nice places, sitting place arrangements everywhere, so that you can enjoy the lake, the view of the lake. And there is an island in the middle of the lake where there are restaurants, and you can also do boating, many activities that you can enjoy over here. These days I'm quite occupied with work. Yeah, it is actually taking a lot of my time, so bear with me. The videos will be coming. I will try my best to do those, and I'm looking forward to make one video during the daytime so that we can enjoy the brilliant sunlight. Maybe this Friday we will try to do that. Okay, so there is a car which stopped in the middle of the road. I don't know where the polices are. They should keep an eye on this. Should I cross the bus? Has it almost? Yeah, I think so. I should be on the left track because I'm going left. I don't know which car it is, but the light is very bright. Oh, it's a Land Cruiser Prado. The light, that car was behind me, and it had a blaring headlight, high beam, which reflected in this mirror and directly on my eyes. Now I can't see anything. why people use so much bright lights these days. My one is bright, but it doesn't go, you can see that, I guess. It doesn't go that up, that high up. But the SUVs, as you can see, their lights are like really, I mean, further on top, position at the very top of their bonnet on the front of the car, so that is like very difficult to manage sometimes. I would suggest not using, you know, very bright headlamps, because it causes difficulties for other drivers to actually see, especially when they're coming from the opposite direction. And as you can see, I'm not using high beams when there is no intersections. I'm using that only when there is an intersection, so that it doesn't disturb the cars coming from the opposite direction. So if I change my car, not very soon. I love Corolla, and especially this classic Corolla. Very good to take care, maintain in Bangladesh, because they are available everywhere. Parts are available. But if I get a new car, it would be something like Corolla again. I like the Corolla 2022. That is beautiful. The Corolla 2020 actually. And then I really like the new Prius. The new Prius is actually has the body line, the body shape, and it has a silhouette, or you know, outline, which I really admire, because that is how I imagine a car should be. It is sleek with very classic and elegant body lines, and it looks modern. At the same time, it has a retro vibe to it. So the Prius 2022 is something that I may consider taking if I ever change this car, but not sooner. The CNG system that I mentioned in other videos that I am running is going to expire in 2024. So I have only 1 year left, and then I have to reinstall the system. And it is very expensive. It could be CNG or LPG. I'm not sure which one, but I have to replace the system or drive on petrol, which is getting expensive day by day. That's why I'm considering taking another car, and let's see. So I'm going to merge into the traffic, and it's gonna take about 10 minutes to pass this traffic. I'll come back very soon after that, so that we can keep on talking. Okay, so it was not 10 minutes, to be honest. It was more than 10 minutes. I was stuck in traffic jam and actually took a nap. Could wake up in time, and now we're through the traffic. It's a wide open road, empty and nice. they're thinking. I don't know. They were signaling the cars and the bike to stop. Maybe the vehicle is broken, that's why. Okay, we're the last vehicles that are going out from here. They're blocking that road over there. So yeah. So I'm almost near my home, and we're gonna call it a day very soon.